Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is do something for this poor beggar. Do something for this poor beggar. इस बेचारे फकीर के लिए कुछ करो. Second, who comes here daily? Who comes here daily? यहाँ रोज़ाना कौन आता है. 3. Really, I impressed you. Really, I impressed you. वाकई मैं आपसे मुतासिर हूँ. 4. I'll go there sometime or the other. I'll go there sometime or the other. मैं वहाँ कभी ना कभी जाऊँगा. 5. He'll be here soon. He'll be here soon. वो जल्द ही यहाँ होगा. 6. What's bothering you? What's bothering you? तुम्हें किस बात की फ़िक्र है. 7. I got all matter. I got all matter. मुझे सब समझ आ गया. 8. It can't be so. It can't be so. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. 9. You have no match. You have no match. तुम्हारा कोई मुकाबला नहीं. The last one is 10. Union is strength. Union is strength. इत्फाक में बरकत है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.